India is a beautiful country.
There are high mountains, dense forests, large plateaus, vast plains, and hot deserts. There are many rivers flowing within the country. There are long coastal lines and beautiful beaches. It also has rows of islands in the sea. Because of these features, India is a beautiful country. India has 6 main physical features. They are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains, and the island regions. The northern mountains. Children, mountains in the north are very high. There are 2 mountain ranges, the Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain range. Children, remember, Mount Everest is the world's highest mountain peak and is located in the Himalayas. The Himalayas are also the starting point of many important rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, and the Brahmaputra. Children, it is very cold in the mountains. There is no growth of plants in the peaks because they are always covered with snow. There are thick forests in the slopes below. Very few people live in these regions. Okay? The northern plains. Children, towards the southern part of the Himalayas lies vast areas of land. These are northern plains. The rivers flowing from the Himalayas water this area. When they flow downstream, they bring silt that makes the soil fertile. Because of this, a lot of crops grown in this region. Children, many people reside in this region. They do farming and trading activities. Important cities in this region are Amritsar, Agra, Delhi, Varanasi, Kanpur, and Patna. The Great Indian Desert. Children, the Great Indian Desert is also known as Thar Desert. It is northwestern part of India, mainly in the state of Rajasthan. Children, the desert area is covered by sand and the temperature is very high. The air is always dry and there is very little rainfall. Due to the hot and dry weather, crops cannot grow in this region. Children, most people make a living by selling handicraft and dry spices. Main cities of this area are Jaipur, Jodhpur, and Udaipur. Camel, deer, and peacock are found in this region. The southern plateau. Children, the southern plateau lies to the south of the northern plains. It covers parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Children, remember, the plateau is separated from the northern plains by the hills of Satpura and the Vindhya ranges. Okay? To the east, there are mountain ranges called the Eastern Ghats. And to the west are another range of hills called the Western Ghats. Children, the southern plateau forms peninsula surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. The main rivers in this region are Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, and Tapi. people lives in this region. Main crops grown here are cotton, millet and wheat. There are tea and coffee plantations also. The coastal plains. Children, on the eastern and the western sides of the southern peninsula are the coastal plains. These are the strips of narrow land along the seashore. Children, remember, the eastern coastal plain is wider than the western coastal plain. The climate of the area is pleasant. Coconut trees grow naturally along the coastal lines. People living in these areas make a living by fishing in the sea. Many people go to the sea beaches for enjoying their holidays. The island regions. Children, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are to the east in the Bay of Bengal, and the Lakshadweep Islands are to the west in the Arabian Sea. Many tribes live on these islands. They are connected to the mainland through water and air transport. Children, many people go to the island beaches for enjoying their holidays.